Welcome to the short tutorial series I will be creating around how to use Qlovaseed on Windows. For the next couple of months, I will be creating apps using the Qlovaseed framework. Qlovaseed is a cross-platform Go framework for building apps. For anyone who knows a bit about Go, the open source coding language created by Google, this might become a good way for you to get into app development. At the moment, it is quite new though, so the apps I'll be creating are going to be basic. No stress if you do not have any previous experience with the Go language, as I will be trying to cater to a beginner audience. The videos I'll be creating are using Windows, so a lot of things will be different if you're using Linux or Mac. Today we'll be creating a simple Hello World executable file using the framework. Let's start with downloading the things we need to set up. First, we will need the programming language, Go. You can find the download for the newest release just under the downloads on the home page. I have included links to the websites I mentioned below. We will need some sort of way to edit code. If you have an editor that you like, feel free to use it, but I will be using Visual Studio Code as it comes with a lot of helpful shortcuts and extensions. Now we will need to get the Qlovaseed framework we are using. If we go to the GitHub page, you can see instructions on how to set up, and even an introduction to making the Hello World program we will be creating. Scrolling down to installing, it says, you can get Qlovaseed using go-get, and then there is a line of code in a grey box. To run this code and download Qlovaseed, click on the Start button in Windows and type CMD. This should show you a program called the command prompt. Click on it. The command prompt can be used to send instructions to the computer. To get Qlovaseed, we will be telling the computer to go to the GitHub website, where Qlovaseed is stored online. Download it and install it onto our computer. We will copy that code from the grey box into our command prompt and hit enter. The computer will download seed from the GitHub website. Another thing that is needed, but not shown on the GitHub site, is that we'll also need a file called seeds. To download this, again, paste in the code from before, but before hitting enter, add an S to the end of the line, making it into seeds instead of just seed. Hit enter now and download that too. With that installed, we should be ready to start on making the Hello World program.